Guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is actually first day of me joining my job where I'm starting. That's why I have glammed up a little bit after so long. I'm like getting ready to go to work. It's been about a good 3 years since I last actually got ready to go to work, and it feels good. I actually did a little bit of blow dry, and I think I may have joined an hour earlier than I should. I'm happy, but I'm also I like being on time. I don't like being super early. 1 hour early is way too much. I like being 5-10 minutes early, which is on time. I don't like being late, but damn it, I don't know if I'm late or if I'm early, or I don't know what is the issue. I'm a little confused. I have to do a lot of clothes shopping. I do not have any clothes. I disposed all my clothes when I made the move because they were pretty old and they were good enough for the university, but they weren't it's not office appropriate, nor were they good to look at. They're pretty much done and dusted, so I have to go and get stuff from somewhere, probably H&M and Primark, because I have a Primark now. Guys, living in big city has its perks. Let me tell you that. I am just going to show you guys my outfit, as well as did a little bit of makeup today. Guys, I don't even have makeup brushes. I disposed everything when I came here because they were so old and ratchet, so I literally have to get my makeup stash together, which I think I'm gonna go to Ulta and get some stuff. Probably might do an Ulta haul. Woke up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 5:30 because I was so excited because it was my first day, and I was I don't want to be late. I want to have enough time to take a shower, have coffee, blah blah. Turns out I think I'm an hour early. Let me show you guys my outfit. Okay guys, I got this mirror, but I still haven't been able to hang it as such. Y'all can see my outfit from the mirror. Outfit of the day check. Shirt is from Target. It's a beautiful a lemon yellow shirt, and guess what, this is from the men's section, and I like the color and I like the way it looks, so I picked it up. As well as my leggings. It's from Decathlon India. That's it. This lighting is perfect. I just put a little bit of blush, which you can barely tell. I have sunscreen on. I started using sunscreen religiously. Today is day 3 of me religiously using sunscreen. That's why my skin already looks like a glazed donut. I put some mascara. Let me show you guys what mascara I used. I used this Essence Lash Princess Waterproof Mascara. I put there, and Colourpop lipstick, and just some little bit of blush and highlighter. Okay guys, turns out I was just 1 hour early. Okay guys, it's 4:38 and I'm off work. Oh my god. So I'm off work. My first day is done, and I just want to show you guys my makeup in real direct sunlight. I love the way my skin looks with a little bit of glow. A lot of that is sunscreen and a little bit of that is highlighter. Look at that. And my lipstick is Colourpop, really held well. So, turns out I did join the meeting an hour early. It's a funny first day story, but it was just smaller. I wasn't late. So what am I going to do now? I don't know. I have some packages downstairs which I'll go pick up. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna make yummy aloo gobi. Yeah, I'm so excited. I have not cooked cauliflower ever in the US. Or I have never cooked cauliflower myself, I think. Shirt from Target is amazing. Oh, and it's the men's section, doesn't even look like it. This is my time to explore the US drugstore and buy drugstore makeup. But one thing is, look at that. Oh my god, look at how much mascara has transferred. I don't remember Essence Lash Princess being this it transferring this much. But guys, I just fell asleep, man. I want to go get coffee somewhere, but I just fell asleep. God, I really need some coffee. Yes, I drink that much coffee, guys, because I love coffee. If you don't like coffee, please feel free to unsubscribe from my channel. And this filter, put this underneath, tightly wrapped. 365 morning blend, something. One scoop, and then I'm just gonna have boiling water. comes with a stirrer, which I'm gonna stir for 60 seconds to get the crema. Look at the crema, you guys. Beautiful. And look at it, it's like slowly collecting up. You have this push from the top, pushing your coffee. Can you see the cream? The crema or whatever. Some boiled oat milk, and you will really see the transition. That's almond milk creamer. A bit of this for flavor. And that's my coffee. Went and put some La Roche-Posay ointment for my stupid skin pain. It's healing, guys. I'm just gonna sit on my bed. I'm still waiting for my chair. My back hurts sitting on the floor and attending meetings. But that's okay. I slept on the floor, so sitting on the floor is like nothing. It's just, I have to admit something. Been addicted to this for years. I will never say no to this. I can drink a lot of this. It gives me good feeling. I love the way it tastes. I love the way it smells. I love the way it looks. I'm addicted to coffee. Yes. Beautiful package. Bed Bath & Beyond is here. I have been lusting over this. So excited. This is my baby number 1. Oh my god, an Instant Pot! Can you see how excited I am over this? I have cooked with Instant Pot in my friend's place and I loved it. It is so easy. I've convinced like 8 people around me to buy Instant Pot. They're all going to buy it once they start their jobs. So I was just like, I've made pav bhaji with this, I've made biryani in this, I've made idli, I've made nuchinambe, I've made like everything I can possibly think of with this. And I am so excited. When I actually start like going to the office, this is going to be a boon. I'm so excited. Hey guys, welcome to more vlogs with angles that just get worse and worse. Today is actually Thursday and the last I vlogged was Tuesday. If you all want me to continue vlogs, this is all it's going to be. It's going to be a lot of cooking and cleaning. This is like daily stuff. My life is not that glamorous, but I really like it. I'm actually making a Thai red curry and I'm gonna make some noodles with it. Yay, I'm making it in my Instant Pot. You can see I'm like frying up some veggies with some garlic and ginger. Now onto more things. Can you hear the ASMR? Look at that curry, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, and it smells so good. Okay guys, udon noodles are ready. I'm gonna add some chili oil over it just for fun. Then I'm gonna pour the curry sauce and show it to you guys. Okay guys, there you go. Look at that. That curry looks so rich. Let me get a better angle. Oh yes, looks so good. Oh god, I can't wait to dig in. Yay. So yeah, this is my dinner. I'm having this and I'm watching Tati. It's the best combination ever. And I'm watching her Rare Beauty makeup review. Oh my god, I'm so happy she's back. Like, I'm obsessed with her videos. Okay guys, before I actually like completely dig into it and I start eating, I thought let me do like a little bit of taste test on camera. I can smell the coconut and that curry and like, oh my god. That tastes really, that's exactly what I was craving for. And I didn't even have soy sauce, but I still managed. Too good. I will leave a link to the recipe that I follow. P.S. guys, all the recipes that I cook on my channel, none of it is mine. Like I follow like either TikTok or YouTube videos, but holy cook. That is... I'm drooling, I'm gonna have it. Bye. Okay guys, so today is actually July 14th. It's like, I don't even remember when was the last time I picked up my phone and like, updated a little bit. But yeah, actually I just came on here to end the vlog. I'm super hungry. I'm just gonna make some, what am I making? Actually, it's like 4:47 and I am home already. And just gonna have like, oh yeah, momo, there it is, I got this from Home Foods. So yes, also I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Hold up. So today was the first day that I actually went into work and this is what I wore. t-shirt is from H&M. Love it. Jeans Forever 21. It's been so long since I wore jeans for 8 hours. Oh my god, 8 hours. 8 hours. Do you hear that? 8 hours. Oh my god. But yeah, I wore this and jeans, really liked it. I wore my Reebok purple shoes, but I was on a call and I removed. But yes, that is my outfit of the day. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because there's nothing much happening immediately, so I'm just gonna end it here. But I have something exciting that I ordered that I was just like waiting for a very long time. So it's going to be here probably in like 2 or 3 days, like I don't know. And I'll show you guys in like the next vlog or something. But that's it. I hope you guys like this like random ass vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.